The Toronto Subway is a rapid transit system serving Toronto and the neighbouring city of Vaughan in Ontario, Canada, operated by Toronto Transit Commission or the TTC. It began its first operation on March 13, 1954. The average speed of the line is expected to be 28 kilometers per hour or 17 miles per hour. As a comparison, the average speed of a heavy rail line to Bloor to Danforth is 30 kilometers per hour or 24 miles. The top speed for trains on the subway is about 50 miles per hour, though most trains travel slower than that. The Toronto subway has 75 stations divided into 4 lanes. Most stations are named for the nearest major arterial road crossed by the lane in question. $1.6 million passengers, more than 13,000 employees serve half a billion customers annually. With more than 1.6 million passengers on a typical weekday, the TTC has one of the highest per capita ridership rates in North America. TTC has won the prestigious 2017 American Public Transportation Association Award for Transit System of the Year.